welcome back to the channel and welcome to Togo West Africa. If this is your first time here, you are so welcome. Today on the channel we are preparing something very special. I'm going to be leaking the secret to why a lot of Togolese people are living over 100 years and more. Yeah, I would say it's all thanks to what they eat. And today we are preparing akume made from petit meal. Akume is like corn dough, but this one is made from petit meal. Is jam-packed with a lot of nutrients, and we are going to be pairing this with the Ademe. You all, Ademe is like jute leaves. Go ahead and google the health benefits of jute leaves and come and tell me. Yeah, so you know, a lot of people over here live long because they eat everything they eat over here is natural and fresh. And yeah, today we are going to prepare the most delicious akume made from petit meal and Ademe. But before we do that, let's go to the market and get the ingredients. And trust me, this is going to be an amazing ride and you all are going to love it. Let's go to the market, guys. So we arrived the market and I'll be preparing my Ademe with some red meat, and I'm getting meat here for 2,500 per kilo here in the market. Yeah, so this is Ademe, my favorite market, because over here everything is really affordable. In case you're in Togo and you want to buy things at very good rates, come to Ademe. Wow. I'm also getting some smoked fish, very important when you want to make the Ademe or the okra soup over here in West Africa. It has a very nice aroma that it adds into your soup. So this one is very special. You can leave out the meat, but this one is a must. So right here I'm getting my Ademe. You guys check these out, they are so fresh. Oh my goodness, usually when I want to buy these I will go for the ones that were harvested like on the same day. You can always tell on how fresh looking they are. Yeah, and a lot of people in Togo are really in love with these leaves because it's really affordable. You see, everything I'm getting right there is 250 francs. That was a lot, and even if you don't have 250, you can even get it for 100 francs. And yeah, so this is Togo for you. And you guys, right here I was going to get some huckleberry. Like this lady, she was like, come, I have very fresh huckleberry for you. The way she was convincing me, and I needed some, I was like, let me follow and go and see. And behold, you guys, the huckleberry was really fresh. This is it right here, and I got some as well for 250 francs, and it was a lot. Yeah, it was a lot. And from here I think we are heading home to do the cooking, and I hope you so far, if you guys are enjoying, please, so I'm begging you all, make sure you like, you comment, you share, because the more you like the video, the more YouTube is going to recommend the videos to others so that they can watch as well and the channel keeps growing. Yeah, so this is like almost everything I got in the market. And I also got some tomatoes. That's 3,500. Yeah, let's go home, guys. Wash the Ademe to get rid of sand. Yeah, you have to wash it for about 3 or 4 times. So get that stretchy consistency, to make it really gooey, we have to add in some okra. But some people can still achieve that with just the jute leaves. Usually I like the okra in it, and that's why I'm adding it. For our ademe to broke down really nicely, or our jute leaves, we are going to add in some limestone. This is it right here. And to add this, because the soil here is really sandy, you have to add it in some water. This is the water right here. And we are going to wash out the sand and let this settle for like 2 minutes so that the sand can completely settle. When we are done, we are going to add it into the pot and heat it up for like 2-3 minutes, and yeah, add in the ademe. And now that is boiling, we are going to add in the okra and the ademe. So we'll add in the ademe and we'll let it cook until it's nicely soft, tender. You might think my pot is looking small, but by the time it's cooked, everything will be like down here. Yeah, so it's very okay. So for the spices, I'm adding in some ginger, garlic, green pepper, and we have our crayfish right here. And yeah, that's almost it, guys. So for our protein, we are adding in some smoked fish and some meat. So I went ahead and added the fish and the meat and some red oil, maggi and salt and all the regular spices and all the spices that I blended. And this is what our ademe is looking like. I'm so sorry I didn't get that camera. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. And can you see how stretchy it is? This is what I like. This is as a result of the limestone we added. And yeah, we are just going to let this simmer for like 10-15 minutes and it's ready. Meat is almost ready. We are going to add in some fresh onion and pepper, and I would say it's ready. What do you think about my ademe recipe as a Cameroonian? I hope it looks good. When I first got here, I thought you had to like blend the ademe. Wow. So let me quickly show you guys what our fufu is looking like. This is what it looks like. It's from millet and it was fermented. I got this for like 300 francs. Can you see the size? Yeah, so we are going to make our paste and we are ready to make our fufu. So now I'm going to add in some water. Yeah.
So this is the consistency we are looking at. You don't want it to be too watery. Yeah, and we are going to cook this on low heat until our fufu is nicely made. Yeah. So if at any point you feel like it's hard, you can add in more water and cook it. Yeah, because right now this is getting like very hard. So I will have to add in more water.
So after adding more water, I'm going to let this cook for a while.
So it's been boiling for a while. And I'm going to continue stirring. Our millet fufu is almost ready. I will say it's ready. Can you see the stretch? Now this is beautiful.
I think we have the perfect consistency right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and scoop it out. Yeah. I'll just go ahead and scoop it out. So far, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Right now, I'll go ahead and give the food a try. Let's go ahead and try the food you off.
So this is what our meal is looking like. I'm going to serve myself some. And let's go ahead and give the food a try.
You all are invited. So yummy. This is so delicious, you all. I like the fufu. I would say it's better than corn fufu, like so delicious. And the ademe with the fish and everything smells so good. I'll go ahead and press some of the pepper to get like the flavor. When we say perfection, this is perfection. I love it. I prefer this to other fufus over here in Togo. It's so good and I really like it. So good. If you enjoyed the video, please guys, please make sure you like, you comment, you share and you subscribe because it really helps. Thank you guys for watching and I really appreciate you all, and until next time, bye bye.